Hello friends, welcome to Prodhut channel. In today's video, we will explain about best 3D printer. The 3D printers are useful for building a perfect architecture model and creating toys for the kids. The important factor that needs to be taken in while purchasing such a product is the right choice you have to make in the requirement. Understanding the working mechanism will allow you to easily use them immediately after the purchase. The current market is surrounded by multiple 3D printing technologies and types of printers available. Before buying, there are few things to consider. Let us understand them one after the other. First of all, let us know what are types of products that are available. The first type is 3D printers are a digital light processing model, stereolithography, and SLS model that uses a powder for creating the 3D objects. The second type is the fused deposition modeling or the FDM printer, which is more advanced and suitable for fun requirements. Let us jump into the features and factors that need to be considered before buying the products, without any delay. The first feature to consider is cooling technology. Individual 3D printers available in the current market come along with efficient cooling technology, which is necessary for reducing the temperature and maintaining the printer's internal components correctly. The cooling naturally takes place depending upon the external temperature. The next feature to consider is extra features. Extra features like having an LCD panel with touchscreen technology, which is more comfortable and useful when there is hectic work. Availability of multiple filament support and volume adjustments are added advantages. The succeeding feature to consider in this list is resolution. The resolution is an essential component because when you are printing a 3D object, each and every single part should be clear with proper approval. Choose the model that has increased the number of microns available within them. The next on-hand feature in this list is brand. Any brand that uses high-quality components for manufacturing the 3D printer to offer constant servicing is the best choice for meeting your requirements. The next factor is assembly. If you have the requirement of assembling it by yourself, primarily through an online medium, then you can purchase models that go for easy setup with the manual's proper instructions. The upcoming factor in this list is input material. Certain 3D printers accept the filaments, while individual printers accept present material for printing the objects. Getting these varieties will allow you to have choices by printing the objects. The next approaching factor in this list is hot bed. Some of the hot bridges are usually covered with aluminum tray and tempered glass to ensure quality and maintain the product without getting affected by the hot temperature. Choose the one that increases the temperature and cools down immediately after the process is complete. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, we have selected the top 3 to 4 products that are best and available in the current market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product in the list is the WL3D Ender 3 Original DIY 3D printer with resume function and easy to assemble. The hotbed temp of this product is 110 C. The features of this particular product are: it has a simple construction that allows you to build them by yourself. It is used for making designs with intricate models with zero error. The heating temperature and nozzle temperature of this product is decent. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Unaid ET4 Pro DIY 3D printer 2.8-inch LCD color touchscreen vertical bar unibody aluminum frame vertical bar automated bed leveling vertical bar upgraded overcurrent protection vertical bar size to 20x220 by 250 mm. The hotbed temp of this product is 100°C. The features of this particular product are: the low sound technology of this product prevents the machine from emitting unwanted sound. It protects the machine from overheating through a special sensor technique. It allows proper usage of material without wastage. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Creality 3D Ender 3 3D Printer DIY Easy Assemble to 20x220 by 250 mm printing size with resume printing support PLA, ABS, TPU. The hotbed temp of this product is 100 degrees Celsius. The features of this particular product are: the high-quality hotbed for heating the filaments is very easily. It comes with a brass nozzle for super functioning. They are available in a beautiful package that can be easily assembled. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.